We often assume stomach noises signal hunger or digestion, but other complex processes are at play. Your gut microbiome, the community of bacteria in your intestines, influences how food is processed and energy is utilized. This microbial activity can produce gases and gut movements, causing those unexpected gurgles and growls. In essence, these sounds reflect the dynamic interplay between your diet and the microbial world within you. Remember, your body communicates in its unique way. Understanding these signals can enhance your relationship with your gut health,